Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you are highly welcome. On this channel I do hairstyles for kids, I do beauty DIYs, I do a lot on this channel, so please consider hitting the subscribe button down below so you can join the family, and thank you as you do that. Okay, so guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys home remedy you can use to get rid of sunburn. Yeah, but before we go into that, what is sunburn? Sunburn is simply an inflamed and painful skin caused by excess exposure to UV light. Yes, when you expose yourself too much to the sun, you will probably get a sunburn. But there are some things you can do to heal from sunburn. You should know this also, that it's not about healing from sunburn. If you don't do the necessary thing after healing from it and you expose yourself more to the sun, you will still get the sunburn. Okay, so there are some steps, there are some tips and things you have to do to actually avoid sunburn. Yes, and the first thing is to make sure you wear your sunscreen. Wear your sunscreen. Don't always go out in the sun leaving your face or your skin bare. Don't do that. Put on sunscreen, especially if you're living in those places that have too much sunlight. Try to wear your sunscreen. Okay, sunburn can be severe. Yes, it can be severe. Some people, they will have it on their body, some will have it on the eyes, some people will have it all over their body. It depends, but it can actually happen anywhere on your body, and it can actually get intense. Yes, depending on how long you expose yourself to the sun. But in this video I'll be giving you some tips you can use to relieve yourself from sunburn. Okay, so without much talk, let's get right into it. It's very simple tip. Yes, the remedy is very simple. Okay, so here I have my cold water with me. If you're living in an area that is very cold, like in the Europe right now, it's winter period, so no, that will not be fun for you. Okay, because it's very cold right now. So that being said, here I have a bowl filled with cold water. This water is cold. Yes, it's very cold. I got it from the tap and it's very cold. When I say cold, it's very cold. But if you're staying in a place that is very hot and you get a cold water and the water is not cold enough, you can go ahead and add ice cube into it. Add ice cube into the water to make it very cold. Okay, so what you will do is get a bowl filled with cold water, then dip your face into the water. Don't know if you guys are seeing me. Then dip your face into the water like this. Oh my goodness. Dip your face into the water. If possible, leave your face inside the water for 10 minutes, depending on how long you can hold. Okay, dip your face into a cold water. This will help to heal those irritating sensations you're having on your skin. It will help to cool down the irritating sensation. Yes, dipping your face into cold water will help to also stop the burning. Yeah, if you have the sunburn on your body, go ahead and take a cold bath. Use a cold water to shower. Okay, so after doing this, then you go ahead, clean your face. You go ahead and clean your face with a towel. Don't clean your face like this. Don't do that. You will make the situation worse. Don't do that. This is the way you are supposed to clean your face. Just dap, dap, dap. So after cleaning your face, the next thing you have to do, this is a warning. After doing this, don't leave your face dry. Don't leave your face dry. After doing this, go ahead and get aloe vera. This is the one I have here. Cut the aloe vera. Cut it into two. Cut it into two. Then use the gel of the aloe vera to massage your face, especially those places you have the sunburn. Use the aloe vera gel to massage those places. So after doing that, you are good to go. You are good to go. If you don't have aloe vera, you go ahead, you can get a cucumber. Once you get a cucumber, you cut the cucumber like this. Place it on the places you have the sunburn. Place it on the places you have the sunburn, okay? That is it. But make sure you don't leave your face dry after doing this treatment, okay guys? And one secret about treating sunburn, see, if you do this and after doing this your sunburn is healed and you still go in the sun leaving yourself bare without any sunscreen or any kind of protection, you will still get burned. So make sure that after doing this treatment and you're healed from your sunburn, if you're going out, apply sunscreen. Especially if your daily activities requires you staying in the sun for so long, make sure you wear sunscreen. Make sure you wear sunscreen, okay? That is it, guys. This is how you can actually heal from sunburn, okay? This is the home remedy you can use because your skin is already burnt. You don't need to do anything harsh on it because anything harsh you do on the skin will even worsen the situation, okay guys? So the best thing is to take a cold bath if you have it on your body, or dip your face in a cold water if you have it on your face, and after that moisturize your face or apply aloe vera all over your body or on your face. This really works. This will help to relieve you from any pain, from any irritation you're having. This will really work, okay guys? So this is how you can get healed from sunburn. So please guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel and share this video. I will see you all in my next one. Bye.